Neeraj joining in as well on the closing show. Neeraj, what are you really picking up? That nervousness, the swings that we're seeing up and down is clearly showing that the overall sentiment is very negative, but we've seen a fairly decent recovery from lows in the last 20 minutes or so.
Yeah, and good afternoon to all of you. And Tamanna, I would love to know how you are thinking about the geopolitical angle of it. I heard Hiral speak a lot about those individual stocks as well. So very interesting there. But just a couple of things that I picked up when I was speaking to a few market experts in the last 30 minutes or so. One, that save for the Australian markets and the Shanghai markets, almost everything else has been penalized today. Europe is not starting off well. And Dow futures, as we speak, are down 600 points because Iran reportedly has rejected those US stocks as well. And there is a Saudi Aramco refinery which has been hit. So crude, which we were talking about as not having a very rocky start, currently WTI above 72, 73, Brent above 79. So clearly the pressures are showing. It'll be very interesting to see how large is the FI sell number in the session today. Everybody's eyeing that because three people that I spoke to, guys, over the course of the last half an hour, everybody was unequivocally clear that for today's session in the near term, you'll probably see large FI sell numbers as well. And nothing quite looking constructive. Sure, there are individual pockets that Puneet highlighted, Hinzink, etc., but nothing looking very constructive. And lastly, because we have a holiday tomorrow and the expiry today, I think most people are penciling in that people want to err on the side of caution and not quite go home with any kind of long positions because who knows what tomorrow might bring and they might not be able to square their position. So I think that's probably the tactical plays that are getting played out. But, same question to you, and I have a question for Hiral too, but Tamanna, to you. Now, because you looked at politics so closely, right? And you would have spoken to people, you would have analyzed it. This seems protracted in nature, or is it difficult to call right now?
No, some things have clearly become worse and visibly worse. So the statement from Qatar saying that US warplanes have been shot down in Qatar, but no one is hurt, that tells you that it's protracted. The Iranian security chief has said no to negotiations. They don't want to have any conversations with the US right now. So that is a big negative. What's happened in Saudi's Aramco unit, and which Hiral also spoke about, that is a negative, though they're now saying that it's being contained, etc. So some of those things are pointing towards escalation. Plus, today there are more reports of loud blasts heard in Dubai and Abu Dhabi as well. Again, it could be anti-drone missiles staving off any attacks and then debris falling. That could be the source of the blast. But the fact that Dubai and Abu Dhabi, a very, very visible area in the region, is being targeted is telling you that Iran is trying to send a message and it's not done yet. If we think this is going to be 1 or 2 days of fury and then it ends, that's looking unlikely, and that's what's really escalated since this afternoon. Now,